First one is the differentiation. Here, if we apply the differentiation, here two functions are there. We need to apply the UV rule. If we consider u as a 4x cube, then we need to differentiate du by dx. Definitely, it will be 3 4 the 12 x squared. If you don't know the basic differentiation, please see my other video of differentiation. You would get the very good idea how to do the differentiation of that type of things. So here, if we apply differentiation in the ln, it gives us uh, 1 by twice x plus 1 definitely, but the coefficient of x we need to multiply as a here if we inside differentiate then 2, so finally we got from here 2 divided by twice x plus 1. This is our differentiation of this part. Now UV rule we are going to apply here. UV, we know all UV rule actually. If we differentiate, then it gives us u dv by dx plus b du by dx. That is the formula. We are now just putting the value. U is our 4x cube. Let me write 4x cube. Then dv by dx, this is our dv by dx part, so let me write 2 divided by twice x plus 1, and then plus v, this is the v, which is ln twice x plus 1, and into dv by dx is 12x square, 12x square. Okay, now just simplify it. 4 to the 8x cube we can write here, and its denominator is twice x plus 1 as well. Then on the right side you can write it 12x square ln of twice x plus 1. So this is our differentiation part, whole differentiation part. Now the question is, given that this is the first differentiation we have done, then the second differentiation they ask you to do that part d by dx of that one. So we need to apply here u by v rule, b1. If we do b1, we need to by, so u is here twice x. If we differentiate d by dx, definitely it would be 2, and v is here x plus 2 to the power half. If we differentiate dv by dx, then it should be half x plus 2 to the power minus half. So then from there you can write 1 by 2 root x plus 1. We know the rule of the u by v. If we integrate, then it should be v du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by v square. I would suggest you write this formula again and again when you're going to start the integration or something or differentiation. Best way to do and keeping in your mind by writing the formula 5 times. This is my personal suggestion for you. Okay, let's move to the v. Write the v, otherwise you could not remember what the formula is. V is given here x plus 2 to the power half. Let me write it, x plus 2 to the power half. Then du by dx, where du by dx we got the 2, let you write the 2 here, then minus sign from the formula. U is given here 2x, let you write it, u dv by dx, and dv by dx, this is the value for the dv by dx, let you write here as well, 1 by 2 root x plus 1, and the denominator is v square. V is given here, this is the v. If we make it square, v square, definitely it is actually square and square root cancel each other, so we can write it x plus 1. The expression remains here x plus 1. Now we need it to simplify, there is no other way, so we'll give here x plus 1 is here, and we can cut out this 2, and if we make LCM here, we can write it, say, root x plus 1 as a denominator, and on the top it would be 2 root x plus 1, and again x plus 1, then it should be definitely x plus 2, x plus 2. Where did I get the x plus 2, x plus 1? I did something wrong. We need to replace this on x plus 2. This is x plus 2, yeah. So inside definitely this is x plus 2, this is as well x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2, yeah. So inside you can write 2 into x plus 2, 2 into x plus 2, then on the top it is minus x. So finally we got from here twice x plus 4 minus x divided by x plus 2 to the power half into 1 by x plus 2 again. So our final answer is, you can cut out x and x plus 4, so it is x plus 4 divided by x plus 2 to the power 3 by 2 we got from here. This is our value. Yeah, it is the same. So we can write here shown SHOWN. Now the second part of this question, hence they are asking to do this one, integration of that part. So I need to actually erase something from here. We are in second part of this question too, but we do not need the answer of how we did the part one. We can use directly this expression because differentiation part is given there, but they're asking to do that one. So to do that, can I take 5 common from here? Then expression would be the same. If I take 5 common from the top part, then you can write the expression like x plus 4 divided by the whatever it is written, you can write the same thing, x plus 2 to the power 3. Actually 2 to the power 3, this and 3 by 2 is the power is the same thing. Dx is here. See, here is the same thing. So if we integrate that part by keeping 5 outside, we can go directly in that stage. Let you write 5 into y is x divided by root x plus 2 plus c, and this is our answer. You can write it. Final answer would be 10x divided by root x plus 2 plus c. This is our final answer of this question number 2. Two more questions there. So now move to the last question. It is the same equation as a 2. So just we need to put the limit. So putting the limit 10x, just write like this. Root x plus 2, the expression is given here. And its limit is 7 and 2. Let me put our limit first as a 7. So 10 into 7 divided by root 7 plus 2, and then minus, we are going to put the limit to 10 into 2 divided by root 2 plus 2. So it is actually 70 divided by 3, and another part is 20 divided by 4 root 2 is 2. So this is our value. Let us use calculator to get our final answer. 70 by 3, 70 divided by 3. Then another part is minus 20 by, or 20 by 2 we can write also as a 2, 10. Yeah, 20 by 2 divided by 2. And finally we got from here 40 by 3. 40 by 3 is our final answer. We also can write this value as a mixed fraction, but don't write in the point. You should write the exact value 13 over 1 by 3. If you write in point, if question would not ask you, then you might lose your mark. Better to write in the either mixed fraction or the fraction like this. Hope you understood the question we have done for you.